This is another video of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. You're going to watch a super short video today about wordplay, and that is a rhyming word. Something very commonly used, but only in casual circumstances. Surprise the native speakers. Why? Because these are kind of the conversation people would use among themselves. As I want these videos to focus on day-to-day conversations, I thought I'll do all sort of videos. There are funny puns in Tamil as in any other languages. One that you can also use and get to hear often is the town Vizhupporo that rhymes with apparo, or even colloquially apparo, then afterwards. And you ask someone apparo, then, and that you get the answer vizhupporo. It has no meaning at all. It could be that the person is not ready to answer or doesn't know the answer, or he means, oh silly, you do not even understand. In any case, the answer is not a logical one. There's no clear meaning for that, but people use it. It is used to show irritation, frustration, or to leave the listener blank and guessing, or just playfully irritate the listener, which we all do at times. And here, for some little general knowledge, this is Vizhupporo in the Tamil Nadu map. It is both a district and also the district headquarters. In the English spelling, it's written as Vizhupporo. Well, now imagine the girl is narrating something interesting and takes a break, and the other one interrupts eagerly. Appro sollu. Go on, continue. Appro sollu. And as a reply, if the other girl says, Appro enna? Vizhupporo da. And then what? It was only vizhupporo. Appro enna? Vizhupporo da. It doesn't have any meaning. Maybe she means nothing happened afterwards, or she came away disappointed, or maybe. I hope you get it. Now, another scenario, they're having a fun talk in the kitchen, and while one of them says, Pone veedu pootirundhathu. I went there, the house is locked. Maybe he went there to see someone or collect the rent, whatever. That is for you to imagine. And the other person asks, Appro enna? What then? Appro? Vizhupporo. Na kalambra. Then it's just nothing happened. Let me leave. So he takes leave of them, not giving an answer. Well, the answer, we can guess that his trip was a waste. Now guys, this is just among you friends in an informal setup. You go to an interview and then they ask you, okay, you have good academic excellence, you have such and such experience, good, and then appro? And now you cannot say vizhupporo. You're not going to get a job anywhere afterwards. That is something for you to understand about the nuances of apparo, vizhupporo. Right. I have also added regular Facebook small bite-sized lesson for you to learn. Follow FB if you can. And more than anything, do something productive, exercise, meditate, eat healthy, sleep healthy, and please avoid going out unnecessarily. Vanakkam.